Receiving a 50-page home inspection report can be overwhelming because every house has issues regardless of its age or price. The most important thing to remember is that an inspector is paid to find every single flaw, even if it is just a loose doorknob or a dusty air filter. You should ignore the minor cosmetic defects and focus your attention on the big-ticket items like the foundation, roof, and electrical system. Major safety hazards such as mold, radon, or faulty wiring should always be at the top of your priority list for negotiation. If the report reveals significant structural damage, you need to decide if you want the seller to fix it or if you want a price reduction. A professional inspection is your best tool for leverage because it provides documented proof that can be used to lower the final sales price. You should always attend the inspection in person so the professional can show you exactly where the problems are located and how serious they actually are. Download our inspection priority checklist at homebuyingrealty.com to help you decide which repairs are deal breakers and which are easy DIY fixes.